Hey my magical rainbow friends, welcome back to the channel, Jamie's Disney Kingdom. In today's video we have Ariel's September 2022 Barkbox unboxing. So let's get into this unboxing. Okay. Ooh. Dogs Trollicle? I cannot pronounce that, but I think this is supposed to be like zodiac signs. Yeah. And Ariel is, goodness, I forgot her zodiac sign, but her birthday is December 29th. Alright, so the first thing I am seeing is this like little arrow toy. Sagittarius, I believe it's pronounced. And this is November 22nd to December 21st. Funny confident and I can't pronounce all that, but it's supposed to have plenty jump something. Yeah, I am so sorry guys, I cannot pronounce this month's stuff. But this is her first thing. Ariel, do you like that? You like that? Okay, her second toy this month is called the Libra, and it is flirty, charming, easygoing. Libras are loved by the whole pack. And it's this toy here. That's kind of cute. Ariel, what about that toy? No, you can't eat the paper. Alright, and now to her treats. She loves these sticks, guys. This is the chicken stick recipe made with real chicken. So let me get into this and I'll give her a piece. Do you want it? Hold on. Back up. Do you want it? You gonna eat it? What's wrong, Ari? You gonna eat it? There you go. She loves them. And I always break it in half. I don't give her a whole one. Alright, her next treat are these clucky jerky cuts. Chicken recipe with pumpkin. Ooh, pumpkin. Ariel loves anything with pumpkin. She's something pretty. This is what it looks like. It's real soft, so I just gave her a whole one. Sorry for the shaking, guys. I'm still in recovery from having dental surgery on the 13th of September. All done on my left side of my mouth. On the bottom, I had 2 teeth removed, and on top, I had 3 fillings. So please keep me in your prayers. I'm still in recovery. The next treat she got are these gobbles soft baked turkey recipe with berries. Back up, back up, back up. So pretty. So it looks like this here. And OMG, these actually smell really good. No, I'm not going to eat it, but it smells really good. Do you not like it, Ari? No, she's eating it. Yes, I do her unboxings on my bed, so that's why you see a bunch of blankets. Alright, and that completes her September 2022 Barkbox unboxing. So please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you're new to our channel, hello, I'm Jamie, she is Ariel. And we sure hope you stick around and hit that subscribe button and notification bell where you will not miss any of our upcoming videos and join our YouTube family. And like always, love one another, don't judge one another, and always believe in Barkbox. Bye, my magical rainbow friends. Have a magical day, and we'll see you very soon. Ari, you want to get up?